Imagine this. You, creating your own music, without touching a single instrument. Guitar, piano. Thanks to AI, that's real now. In this video, I'll show you the top free tools to generate royalty-free tracks that sound next level. Let's dive in and make some magic. First up, meet Soundraw, an AI-powered platform made for creators, artists, or literally anyone who needs killer music for their projects. Musical Notes Collision. It generates royalty-free tracks based on exactly what you need. No music degree required. Choose your track length. Set the tempo, slow, normal, or fast. Pick a genre. Set the mood. Select a theme, and bam. In seconds, you get a full set of tracks ready to roll. You can even customize the music, trim it, extend it, delete sections, whatever your vibe demands. And the best part? It's totally free. Party popper. No more endless library hunts. Now you can generate your own music on the spot. Let me show you a quick demo. Next up, we've got Boomy AI, your personal music studio, right in your pocket. Control knobs, musical notes. In just seconds, you can create unique music that sounds professionally produced. Pick your genre, whether it's electronic, lo-fi, rap, relaxing beats, or even custom styles. There's no shortage of options here. The best part? The user interface is so clean and simple. Even total beginners can jump right in and start creating. After your song is generated, you can fully customize it, tweak the sounds, adjust the structure, add your own creativity. Paint palette, musical note. Feeling extra bold? You can even import your own voice and blend it with your music. Mic. Oh, and did I mention? Everything you create here is royalty-free. No hidden traps. Plus, Boomy lets you officially release your songs on platforms like Spotify, iTunes, YouTube Music, and more. Rocket. If your music gets streams from real audiences, you can even earn royalties, and Boomy handles all the heavy lifting for you. You can create directly on your phone, and if you want to learn or jam with others, you can hop into their Discord community too. Boomy isn't just a tool, it's a full-on music journey made crazy simple. Now, let's talk about Mubert AI. Seriously, this feels like music from the future. Rocket musical notes. It generates continuous AI music in real time, and the crazy part? It never repeats. You get full control over the music you create. Pick your vibe. Ambient, hip-hop, electronic. You name it. Control knobs. Set the mood. Happy, calm, energetic, whatever fits your style. You can even handpick specific instruments to match exactly what you're imagining. Guitar, piano. Plus, you get royalty-free licensing, meaning you can upload your creations without stressing about copyright strikes. Shield. You can even monetize your videos using the music you create here. Totally safe. And here's where it gets wild. Mubert also offers a music API. You can plug it into your apps, websites, or games to generate dynamic music that adapts in real time. Video game musical note. Imagine a game soundtrack that changes live as the player moves. Exploding head. And if you prefer, you can dive into their huge mood and genre-based library, download tracks, and use them offline in your editing projects. Mubert isn't just a tool, it's an entire music experience ready to blow your mind. Alright, next, if you've got a music idea in your head and want to bring it to life, this is your spot. Musical Notes Light Bulb. Loudly is a powerhouse music tool that lets you turn text into music. Yup, just type what you imagine, and boom, Loudly generates a full track for you. Fire. It honestly feels like magic. And if you're into remixing, you can even upload your own music. Loudly will twist and remix it, giving it a totally fresh vibe. Control knobs. Once you're done creating and editing your masterpiece, you can instantly upload your track to Loudly's own streaming platform, Rocket Globe. That means your music can reach listeners around the world. How cool is that? And of course, everything is royalty-free, so you don't have to worry about copyright headaches. Shield. In simple words, Loudly is a music creation dream for everyone, whether you're a total beginner or a pro without a full music team. Amazing audio, no instruments, no drama, just pure creativity. And now, the king of the ring, Suno AI. Crown musical notes. Suno has made music creation ridiculously easy. You can build full tracks with just simple prompts and a few tweaks. This tool is viral, and honestly, there are tips and tricks floating everywhere. If you want a deep dive tutorial on any tool I showed today, just drop a comment below, and I'll make it happen. Movie camera speech balloon. In Suno, you get endless options. Pick any style, any vibe, and watch the magic unfold. You can even modify the generated tracks to fit your content perfectly. Insane flexibility. The interface? It's user-friendly, super intuitive. Even if you're new, you'll feel like a pro. The sound quality is crystal clear, no background noise junk. Honestly, I'm obsessed. Headphone. Plus, you can use their remastering tool to make your music even sharper, cleaner, and richer. Explore the personal creation features too, where you can build virtual artists, remix albums, and bring AI-generated lyrics to life. Mic Rocket. Suno isn't just another tool, it's a full-blown revolution for creators. If you haven't tried it yet, seriously, give it a shot. Wrapping it up, I hope you found this video helpful. Clapperboard. If you want an in-depth tutorial on any tool, comment the name down below. And don't forget to subscribe. We drop amazing content like this regularly. Check out our other videos. There's a lot more magic waiting for you.